everyone, welcome back to my channel, Unyistitches. In this channel, we upload sewing tutorial, pattern drafting, sewing tips, sewing tricks, and sewing techniques. In today's tutorial, we have another interesting lesson which we are going to learn how to draft this beautiful top you see on the screen. So without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the tutorial.
So my pattern paper is on full. I've done some of the markings. That is my shoulder line. The next line is my bust line. The next one is my waistline. The next one is my full length line. The next thing I will do will be for me to impute my shoulder measurement, divide by 2. So I will mark it down, and this cloth is a cut together sleeve. So I will add my sleeve length to the shoulder measurement as well. I need about 5 inches sleeve length, so I'm going to add it down. The next thing now is for me to impute my neck measurement. I'm making use of 3 by 3 inches. That is 3 inches neck width and 3 inches neck depth. Then I will slope my shoulder by 1.5. I'll connect it to the neck line using a straight line. So the next thing will be for me to draw another straight line and open my sleeve. That is for the sleeve opening. So I need about 7 inches sleeve opening. The sleeve opening depends on what you want. You make use of the measurement that you know it will be free. So the next thing will be for me to connect the line to form my chest line. So the next thing I will do will be for me to impute my bust measurement. As you can see, the dress is a free top. So I'm going to add about 1.5 inches ease allowance. The next thing will be for me to minus 1 inch from my chest line. Then I will connect it to my shoulder slope. That will form my new sleeve opening. This will help your sleeve to balance well. That is my new sleeve opening. So the next thing I will do now will be for me to impute my hip measurement on the full length line. That is the hip circumference divided by 4. Then I'm going to add my ease allowance of 1.5 inches. I'm going to use my curve ruler, but you can as well use your free hand and connect the line. Can you see how it looks like? So the next thing I will do now will be for me to join the line, that is from my bust line to the full length line. Can you see how the top is forming already? So I'm going to add my seam allowance now. I'm using 1 inch for the hemming allowance. Then for the side seam joining allowance, I want to make use of 1 inch as well. You can decide to make use of more than 1 inch. It's all depends on your preference. So the next thing will be for me to extend the sleeve. As you can see, there is a double folding on the sleeve. So I'm extending by 1.5 inch. I'll extend this other armhole part. I'll go ahead and use my ruler and connect it. Then I'm going to use my curve ruler and join it to my side seam allowance. And the next thing I will do will be for me to go ahead and impute my shoulder joining allowance of 0.5 inches. I'm using 0.5 to join the shoulder. Then I will connect it. So I will go ahead now and cut my pattern. So this is my pattern. After cutting it, the next thing now will be for me to go ahead and work on the neckline design. That is the design of the neckline. This is the pattern after opening it up. So to work on the design, I will fold my pattern back. I will measure how long I want the slits on the neckline to be. I need about 4 inches. So I'll mark down my 4 inches. It's all your preference. You can decide to use less than 4 inches. Then I will mark 1 inch, as you can see me doing so. Then I'll connect it to my 4 inches point. Then I'll go ahead and cut it out. So I will open up my pattern now. Can you see how beautiful the design looks like? So this is how it looks like. So beautiful and neat.
So this is the final outcome of our pattern. If this tutorial has been helpful to you, please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, share our video, and turn on your notification bell so that when I upload new sewing tutorial, you'll be notified. Bye bye.